Morning, morning. Good morning. Morning. Today is Pickleball Day, so that's why the outfit. Let's see. Echo. Gas and toilet paper. Oh yeah, we have the strike. That's right. That's right. We have data coming up at 9:45 and 10. Oopsie. Ooh, that was an ugly move on everything. On everything. Look at that deadly candles. Look at those deadly candles. So I guess we're gonna have to wait and see how SPY and the Q are gonna react to yesterday's low, because it looks like the Q it's hitting that way. SPY 570 and then yesterday's low 568. Damn. I had a short play here overnight and I sold at open. I should have just let it ride. But whatever, I got a little bit of that. But yeah, we have data coming up at 9:45 and then 10. So 4 more minutes for data and then 15. So we gotta be patient and wait. I was thinking on being here after data when we have data. So if we have data, next time we have data at 9:45 and then at 10, just coming up at 10. Oh, by the way, meta play, it's a banger. Meta is holding all-time high as support. That's what we need. Let's see how much we're up on that meta play. %. 92% up on meta. And I think as Lona keeps holding above 576, it's pretty bullish. 99% now. 100% now. So let's see if meta is gonna keep holding this level. If not, most likely it's gonna go back inside the range that it's been moving the past 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 days. So far it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good, but the entire market is very bearish, so that's gonna be difficult. But if we see a change of direction on the market, meta is gonna fly. And that could be a good entry if it keeps holding 576, which is holding right now. We're 113% up now. I'm gonna log some profits just in case. The market is very, very, very weak. Yeah, that's gonna make it very difficult for Meta to hold here. Let's cross some fingers. Oh my god, that's awesome, Debbie. Yeah, you don't need to be here. Get out of here. Enjoy the money. So we have one data, it's out already, and then we have let's see, PMI or jobs opening coming up, and then at 11 we have one Fed speaking. Thank you, Rob. So yeah, let's be patient here, but we know that what stock is the one that we want to trade to the upside if the market change direction. It's Meta. AMD is also holding very good at 163. That's a level that I've been talking about for like a week on AMD. On Intel, we want to see it holding 23. 20, today's low, 23.24. Celsius, I don't even look at it. I'm not expecting much from it the next few days. That's why it's a leap. Okay, Meta, it's going under. It's going inside the range again. Let's see if it's gonna hold yesterday high or yesterday's close. But it's gonna be very difficult with the market doing what it's doing. How am I gonna trade anything today? Like, we had this huge move at opening. We have data coming up at 10, and then we have one Fed speaking like at 11. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna trade, or how am I gonna trade this morning. Remember to like the video, guys. I need likes. We have over 130 people here and no likes, like 20 likes. What's that? By the way, I'm going on vacation at the end of the month. I'm gonna go on a week vacation. Much needed because we're starting full force on December for the mentoring program. So I'm super excited for that. I'm going to a beach town at north of Florida. I'm not gonna say where, but yeah. It's gonna be a beach vacation. Damn, the market just keep going lower. Any idea on Meta? I already talked about Meta. I don't know what you mean, any idea. We all know what's the idea. We all know the levels. We all know what Meta needs to hold. Ooh, that's awesome. I don't like when we have this type of move just when the market opens. Like, what am I gonna do? Chase this? Wait for bounces on a very bearish day? There's nothing to trade here. Nvidia holding 120, but I'm not looking to trade anything to the upside. I'm kind of mad that I was holding this short and I closed right when the market opened. I was holding this short overnight. Market just dead. Okay, we have data in 6 minutes. I don't see any gaps on SPY. Let me see if I see it here. Nope, no gaps. I don't see any gaps. Nope. Come on, give me at least a move to the VWAP so we can play that. Data in 5 minutes now. Okay, I like that move on Meta. I like that move on Nvidia also. 120 holding. Apple has a gap below under 22.24. Let's see if it's gonna go for that gap. Meta is holding very, very good. I'm using these shades and this hat because that's my pickable outfit. So today it's a pickable day. And I'm going on vacation at the end of the month. FedEx trying to hold yesterday low. I like this AMD hold also. Intel trying to hold 223. I'm sorry, 23. Yeah, thank you. Let's see Tesla. What's Tesla doing? It's just straight down like everything. 256. I'm not looking to trade anything to the upside, to be honest. The only thing that I like to the upside, it's Meta, because it's the only one that it truly held yesterday high. It's holding yesterday high. It's holding previous all-time high at support. So it's the only one that is really worth it if the market turns around. For everything else, I don't like anything because we're printing a bearish engulfing candle on every single bigger time frame. Which is clearly very bearish and showing a change of direction in the market. So for me, it will be a bounce and maybe a rejection of the VWAP. Or if we see a stronghold of the VWAP, maybe we can play a bounce here. But I'm not looking to trade any individual stocks to the upside other than Meta. Okay, data, it's out. Let's see if we have a change of direction here. I'm watching a SPY again, if we have a rejection of the VWAP or if we use the VWAP as support. I will say the other one that I really like is AMD and Nvidia. Both are looking pretty much the same. Nvidia with a 120 hold and AMD with yesterday's low hold. But both, just like SPY, I needed to go above the VWAP. But still, I don't think I'm gonna trade any of those. At this right now, I'm only looking to trade SPY or the Q with futures. Right now I'm pretty happy with the swings that I have. And this move in the market is too big to trying to swing to the upside. I want to see this candle going a little bit higher so we can enter and play this rejection here. Man, that's looking pretty good. The market is still looking very weak. Very clean reaction here so far. But entering here, it's a bad entry. We need to if this candle is a clear rejection, we need to enter as close as possible to the VWAP. Yeah. Look at Meta. Meta's flying. Anyone on that Meta swing with me? That's all I need. I don't need anything else. If Meta keeps boom booming, that's all I need. Just don't be too greedy and remember to take profits. But so far, Meta is holding very good. There's no reason to sell here so far. That's your decision. That's your decision. I cannot tell you if it is time to enter or not. It's not about time, it's about the levels. You guys have, I already explained what we're looking on Meta, so that's your decision. I cannot tell you when to buy and when to sell. Trading is not about time, it's about having a good setup, having a good plan, and knowing what are the levels that we need to watch out. That's it. Anyone got in on this rejection here of the VWAP? That was perfect. And also, we need to understand that the market is extremely bearish right now, and we're playing Meta to the upside. Okay, so we have SPY near yesterday's low. Let's see how it's gonna react there. $568 is a key level for SPY. And then we have a bunch of wicks and a bunch of choppiness here. But Nvidia is still holding 120. And Meta is still holding all-time high as support. Previous all-time high as support. VIX at 20. I don't know what that means, to be honest. I don't check VIX at all. I know what VIX mean. What it shows us, like high volatility index. But I don't know. I don't think it matters. Okay, let's see if SPY is gonna reject yesterday's low, which is doing right now. Yeah, but I don't need the VIX to tell me that. Like, we can see daily engulfing candle. Like, you don't need an indicator for that, or any stock to tell you that. You don't need the VIX for that. You can see it. How rapid it's moving to the downside. You have a... We're moving because of bad news. So... Only with understanding and knowing how to read candlestick and market structure, that's all you need. I need a dead cat bounce to be able to trade this. If this just keeps going lower and lower and lower, I'm not gonna trade anything. Because I'm not chasing. The entry was this rejection, but I didn't like this candlestick, so I missed that entry. It was too far from the VWAP for me to enter, so... I'm happy that I have meta, and I think that will be it. It gets to a point that is so low that I cannot... Like, how low can we go? A lot more, but it gets riskier and riskier to trade the downside when we have so much red without clear bounces. $225 key level for Apple. Under that, we have a bunch of empty spaces. Nvidia now is very, very weak. 480 is holding on the Q. And 568. Trying to hold here on SPY just like yesterday. Let's see if we have a bounce here or if we have a rejection of 568. Okay, that was a reaction of 568. The next level, it will be around 566. And then 565. Apple looking weak again. Meta is still trying to hold. Oy. The Q fighting 480. Looks like AMD is gonna go to 160. Tesla dead. $250 will be the next big support on Tesla. Meta is trying to hold yesterday high. Nvidia, let's see how it's gonna react Nvidia to yesterday's low. But so far it's looking pretty weak. The market tanked because of bad news. It looks like data also was bad today. Okay, we have Nvidia right at yesterday's low. And it's still looking very, very weak. Okay, that's looking interesting. Let's see, it looks like we're having some base here. I would love to see the market pushing higher again and maybe showing rejection at key levels so we can play this. Yeah, liking this 480 hold here on the Q. I took that bounce here with these accounts. These are funded accounts. Let's see if I can find a play with my Apex accounts, which are these ones. But yeah, I like this 480 hold. I'm watching maybe if we can have a little bit of consolidation here and then we bounce and maybe retest either the 9 EMA or the VWAP here. So I either play this bounce or I wait for a bounce here. The best trade it will be just waiting for a bounce and playing rejections because we're on a very bearish day. So yeah, when we want to trade with the trend, so most likely waiting for reactions unless we see a clear sign that the trend is changed, and that will be the break of the VWAP on either SPY or the Q. Watch how FTX is holding yesterday's low. Around 270. I like this hold on FTX, but again, the market move lower because of the port strike, and that's definitely gonna affect FTX. Could be very good for FTX. Or very bad. But Meta is still holding very good previous all-time high, which is my key watch for as of right now, even though I'm already in Meta. But if I want to play something, maybe buy for next week, because my contracts are for this week, or maybe add more to those contracts. US Open? I wish. This is my pickleball attire. If I see a little bit of consolidation here, I might play this a quick bounce here. We'll see, but we need better candlesticks. So far, even though this one is green, it's showing clear rejection here. It has a long wick at the top. It's still looking pretty weak. It is holding, but it's kind of looking like a head and shoulder. Not gonna lie. Any of you besides Debbie catch the huge move to the downside? I wish I did. But this changed everything. This huge move changed everything for the rest of the week. There's no bullish sentiment right now. We're having a engulfing candle on bearish engulfing candle on the daily. That's change of direction. Oh my god, I'm hungry. I'm craving pain au chocolat. And you know what's difficult? Trading tomorrow is not gonna be easy also, because after a big move, like a daily big move, we're gonna need some consolidation. So maybe we get a very choppy day tomorrow. Pain au chocolat? You guys don't know what's that? This is pain au chocolat in French. This chocolate croissant. Chocolate croissant. Oh, this one looks very, very good. Not this one. This one. I'm so hungry. Morning. Why people keep calling me Adriana? It's not Adriana. It's Andrea. Ooh, lobster tail. Lobster tail is so good. I'm Venezuelan. I'm from Venezuela. The little Venezia. Yeah, it's easier. Just call me A. So, if you're asking about ADR, and my name is Andrea, so what's ADR for? Stand for? I think that's your answer. If you know my name, it's ADR. Pretty easy to understand that. Yeah, Anderson. Okay, 478 is the next level that I see that is big for the Q. The Q didn't even care about these levels here. Let's see if 478 does something. But we keep dying here. Now, like looking at Nvidia chart was so clean. Like you have the first candlestick in when it opened, it was a clear rejection of pre-market high and the VWAP. That was very, very clean, and then just straight down. Man, oh man. So far, this week is not my week. Yesterday I had a red day. Today I'm green, but I don't like today. I hate when we have a huge move right when the market open and then just straight up or straight down. There's nothing for me to trade. No consolidation, no nothing. You can say maybe right now we're consolidating, but it's getting boring. We need a bounce. We need something. We need a bounce. Hey Greg, morning. Yeah, I'm playing today. So I'm gonna end the stream and then I'm gonna go to the pool and then I'm playing pickleball. Can't complain. I said I can't complain, but I'm complaining a lot because of the market. Come on, Spy, give me something. Oh, I don't get it. I honestly don't get in the pool. I just tan for a few hours. I'm just gonna go and tan for like 2 hours. Come home, eat again, and then get ready for pickleball. Well, that's the life we can get. Like, that's the life we all can get if we get good at trading. You basically can do whatever the heck you want with your time and your days. That's why I decided to become a trader, because I wanted to have freedom, real freedom. You short at the bottom? Nice. Okay, I like that move on Spy. Let's see if it's really gonna hold here. Ideally, I would like to see it breaking the VWAP so we can play a little upside bounce maybe. Meta is still looking pretty good. Guest on my stream? No, I don't have anyone. I think it's more than enough with you guys. I think you guys don't understand how difficult it is to stream, trade, answer questions, and if I had a Discord, that on top, it will be insane. It's too much stress, too much things going on at the same time. I think I'm gonna get a YOLO. Let's see. Let's see if it is super cheap or not. It's a FedEx weekly YOLO. Because I like this hold. Yeah, I'm getting 275 weekly. My stop loss is gonna be 2 days low. It's a YOLO, very small position, so If you don't want to lose money, don't copy me on that. My stop loss is gonna be yesterday's low, which is near today's low. Okay, I like that move. Yeah, I use OBS. PTD keeps going higher. I'm out of PTD, but let's see. No. It has a lot of resistance around 140. Yeah, yesterday high. That's the entire gap fill. Let's see if SPY is gonna reject the VWAP again, or we're gonna break it. And same thing with the 90 MA here on the Q. I kind of want to see, I want to see SPY going higher here and retest the VWAP. Tesla 250, it's an important level here, and so far it's holding it. I'm not looking to trade Tesla to the upside because looking at the daily candle, it's an engulfing candle, but it could give you a little bounce play, which I don't trade those type of plays with options. Ooh, we're rejecting there. Nope. We're going. Reacting, going, and reacting. Gonna go long here. Let's see. I'm looking for a bounce here to maybe this high. My stop loss is gonna be this low here. Looks like we're rejecting. Come on, SPY, give me a bounce to the VWAP. Give me a bounce to the VWAP. Okay, I like that. Keep going. Looks like a no. Ooh, I don't like that reaction. In fact, it looks more like a reaction play. Okay, I like it a little bit more, but it's still looking like a reaction play. Having a lot of trouble there with the 9 EMA. It's showing clear reaction here. Yeah, I don't like it. It's fighting there. But it's looking like a reaction. Yep, reaction. Definitely it was showing because of these wicks here. Guys, you make your own decision. It's up to you if you want to sell or hold whatever I'm playing. If you're asking me that, it's because you don't understand the trade. So, if you don't understand the trade, you should not be playing it. I'm here only to... I'm here only talking out loud what I'm trading. It's up to you what to do with that info. I only use the 9 EMA. And yes, I do journal. You guys see me using trade sealer pretty much every single day. Like, I have the 9 EMA, but I don't really use it much. I have the 9 EMA on the chart and the VWAP. Yeah, it looks like we're reacting here. Yep. I don't know why I didn't got it. Why I didn't change for a short play here. Looking at these clear wicks. Very clear reaction there. And we're on a downtrend. So the trade was to the downside. Oh, this is starting to get boring because we're in consolidation mode now. And Meta is still holding above yesterday high, which is very bullish. But not much we can have with if the market keeps going lower. How I can spot consolidation? Consolidation is this. You have no trend here. Look at this. It's moving nowhere. That's consolidation. Apple is it's holding 225. Pretty good. Pretty good. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna wait for the Q to break the 9 EMA. If we have a clear break and a hold of the 9 EMA, I'm gonna play the upside. It bounce maybe towards the 9 EMA, the VWAP. I'm sorry. No idea, I never watched gold. I don't even watch ES and NQ. Just SPY and QQQ. So far we're holding, but it's looking very weak. Nothing is good long if the market is bearish. If you had a Q and SPY bearish, there's nothing good long. Unless something that it doesn't move with the SPY and the Q, which is not meta. All tech pretty much, the bigger, the big 7, they all move with the market. So there's no reason to play Nvidia, Meta, Microsoft, nothing, Apple to the upside if the Q and SPY are very bearish. You need a change of direction. Oh, we have the Fed speaking in 2 minutes. Oh yeah, it's almost 11. Well, this is getting boring. Apple is looking like it wants to bounce. Same thing with FTX. No, Nvidia is looking like a bear flag. It's looking bearish. Need to break the 9 EMA. Meta is starting to get very weak. SPY trying to hold here. It could definitely be a bear flag too. Apple is starting to get very weak. Same thing with Nvidia. It's rejecting yesterday's low. Meta looks like it wants to fill the gap lower. I think I'm done with the stream, guys. I have a pretty, I think I have a pretty flat day. Or maybe a little bit red with these two trades here. And with this trade here. So I'm gonna wait for after the Fed to stop speaking to trade a little bit more with these accounts. But yeah, the stream, I'm done with the stream. It's starting to get boring. We have one Fed speaking in like already he's speaking. But yeah, I'm gonna trade a little bit more, but later today. Maybe if I have the breakout here or a clear reaction, but as long as we keep consolidating here, there's no trade. And I'm hungry and it's starting to get very boring. What's splitting? So yeah, guys, I'll see you mañana. I know it was a very boring stream, but not much to do here. Unless you catch the... Well, it was the only thing that I needed to do was... what I did was taking profits in the morning with Meta gap up. That's it. Nothing more. You know, there's nothing more to do. Unless you trade this huge downside here. But I didn't. So yeah, I'm gonna go eat and then I'll be back and trade a little bit more. But see you guys tomorrow. Remember to like the video. Bye.